Alright guys, today we're going to be working on this 92 or 93? 92 Acura Integra 2-door. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a quick release bumper kit. So far we got the fronts done. It came out alright. It was way better than before. It was hanging on the floor. So we did the front. Now we're going to go do the rear. So here's the before, what it's hanging on. Has a big gap. I said this before. Alright guys, so we got the old brackets out. It was basically holding on like this. And this one right here. So all we're going to do is we're going to push this bumper up. Probably see what we can do to get it up. We're going to push it up. And where's the kit? Two. So these go screw on. Oh, you can see these are the kits we're going to be using for the rear. There's going to be a screw going through here, and in the back is going to be a bolt in the back of the bumper. What we're going to be doing, we're going to try and line up this as up over here, so that way it can have low support over here on top. It'll push the bumper up. So, I mean, you could sit this low, like around here, and then sit this at least at a high point, so I can have a good stretch, so the bumper can hold more up. Alright guys, so we're going to start by drilling the hole. You're going to want, like, not too deep, not too bottom, somewhere in the middle. Just remember you have clearance, so you could put, where's the washer? This is the hardware that it comes with. I don't know if you can see it. It's all wet. Where's the Allen key you had?
That's the key I was trying to look for, bro.
No sé si está en ese lado o el otro lado.
Under the car, most likely. Let me check.
So this is the hardware it comes with. Comes with the thing for the where it mounts. You put the screw in like this, and you go in the back. You put the washer. So it's gonna line up to the bumper. The washer's gonna be in the back like that, and then comes the nut. I believe it's a 10mm nut. So we're gonna mount the hole in place. Like I said, make sure there's enough space for the washer in the back of the bumper, and then the nut. Alright, so here's how it's looking right now. There's supposed to be an Allen key where you tighten it. Hold this. Here's the back of it. See how the washer's there at the nut. Don't over tighten this because this can break. The bolt can break easily. Now let's go to the top. Alright guys, we got this in. It's all in. The rubber band's twisted. It all depends how you want to run it. This could have came out more cleaner, but it's crashed in the back, so like the bumper's pushed up. So if we would have done this more up, or this a little bit more lower, it all depends how you want to run it. Like I said, just get an exact diameter on how you want to run this. You could twist the rubber band, you can run it as a straight. Some people use double kits. It all depends how you want to run it, but it was way better than before. This bumper was like way down here, so there you go. Alright guys, we got this side done. It has a little gap, but it was crashed from the back, so the bumper sits like this, so it's in a weird shape. But it's way better than before. This used to sit down like up to here, so it's good. We twisted the rubber band to get more clearance up. You could have ran this this side a little bit more up, and when tightening it up more, I guess you could run this a little lower, but it all depends how you want to run it. Make sure you measure your diameter exactly how you want to run it. If you want this clean, so there's not a gap here. But like I said, this bumper was crashed. You can tell it was crashed from here, so it's not a big deal. It's better than what it was. And now we're gonna do the other side. Alright guys, so this is way better than the other side. Like I said, same thing. Just drill the holes. It's really simple. I twist the rubber band just to get more clearance to go up. This side was rusted. I had to use a longer hardware, but luckily it stayed good. It was way better than before. Lines up. Just this little gap, but it's nothing too big. Like I said, it has a little bit of rust. Came out good. Alright guys, so here's the rear. Here's the other side of the rear. Here's the front. Looking good, looking good. It was way better than before. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll give it a thumbs up. It was somewhat helpful. Like I said, it was basically drilling holes, putting bolts through with nuts. On the other side, it was simple. We got the rear done, we got the front done. Now let's see more stuff to come.